Hello, welcome to Yoga Today. My name's Amar. In this quick tip, we're going to demonstrate Uttanasana. Ut means intense. So this pose is referring to the intensity in the backs of your legs. So Liz, please step forward into Samastitihi. And in Uttanasana, your feet stay together. Lift your right heel, lengthen it back and replace the very center of it down. Lift your left heel, lengthen it back, and replace the center of it down. So you begin to feel the 3 points, the triad of your foot, the ball of your big toe, the ball of your little toe, and the very center of your heels. Take a deep breath in, reach your arms up and over your head, touch your hands, look up, exhale, fold forward. And as you fold forward, place your hands to the sides of your feet. So in the full pose, your fingers align with your toes. Your hips come forward right above your heels. And you engage your quadriceps, internally rotate your thighs. Lift your sitting bones any amount and allow your spine to cascade out of your hips. Keep your eyes open so you can study the action of your legs. And breathe fully into the horizon of your diaphragm. So you should feel the entire back of your leg elongate here. If getting your hands all the way to the floor isn't an option, or if you have any problems in your lower back, you can inhale, extend your spine, and place your hands on a block. So if you have any disc issues, forward bends are contraindicated. It's much healthier for the lower spine to keep the back elongated. So grabbing a block and placing it under your hands is a nice alternative. If you're working towards folding forward and you have no problems in your lower back, you can slowly begin to lower the block and start to round your spine into your forward bend. Inhale, reach your arms up and over your head. Touch your palms, look up. Exhale, release your arms down to your sides. Beautiful. Samastitihi. I hope you've enjoyed this quick tip. For full-length yoga classes, please visit yogatoday.com. Thanks for joining us. Namaste.